Hey, you, boy, listen up, boy. So some of y'all have been asking me about my stretching routine, asking me how to get high kicks. So in today's video, I'm gonna be running you through some of the stretches that I do before I do like a tricking session or before I practice Taekwondo. So if you would like to, save this video as a reference, and hopefully you guys will be doing splits that'll bust your balls in no time. Before we start stretching, it's important to get warmed up. So before we get started, we're gonna do some jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You guys can feel free to warm up however you like, whether that's doing running drills, maybe some light sparring combos. As long as you get your heart pumping, your blood flowing. So once you're warmed up, we're gonna start with the first stretch. We're gonna start from the top, work our way to the bottom, start with neck rotations. Body twist, arms up like a chicken. Bok, bok. Oh, hands back on your waist. Hip circles. Excuse me. Yeah, make sure y'all are getting both sides for each of these stretches. We don't want no muscle imbalances. Hands on your knees, hands on your knee circles. All right, watch this one. We're gonna go down for 2 counts and then up for 2 counts. But you're gonna keep your hands as low as you can during the whole time. Then you're gonna reach up, stretch it out. Oh. Now we're gonna reach down for our toes. Important part, bending at the hips, not at the back. All right, so none of this. Keep your back straight, bending at the hips, Oh my gosh. Short leg stretches, pick a leg, stick it out, hands on your knees, push down. When I'm warming up, I just like to do the 2 counts on each side. But if you're doing more of like a dedicated stretch, then I would suggest that you just hold this position. And then same thing, bending at the hips, low as you can. Next one, deep leg stretches. Same exact thing. You're just gonna get down low, Hands on the flow. And now for these, I like to do both the 2 counts on each side and then also the long hold. So I'll do half of my hold, just putting my head and chest down, and then I'll do the other half of my hold with my opposite hand reaching over my head. Same thing on the side. We're gonna get up to a horse stance. That means legs a little bit wide, bending your knees. Hands on your knees, Shoulder drop, so you're just gonna twist at the chest. Ooh, you feel it in your lower back. Legs straight, arms out, windmills. Then I like to put my hands up. Pick a side, reach down. Make sure you're reaching like your arms up by your ear, reaching over your head. Other side. You're gonna cross your arms like you're mad. Legs straight, bending at the hips. Reach down. Try and get your elbows on the flow. All right, now here's my favorite one. Going down for splits. So if you don't have a split, it's perfectly fine. Just get your legs out as far as you can. Bending at the hips, get your hands on the floor. Try and get as low as you can like this. And if you can't even do that, just, this is fine. This is fine. But I can do this, so I'm gonna go lower. Hands on that, legs out. When you're doing splits, it helps to almost relax your groin. You sort of have to surrender to gravity on this one. But don't injure yourself. Please, please, please do not injure yourself. If it hurts, it hurts. All right? If it hurts, then stop. All right, half of this hold is gonna be like this. The other half is gonna be with your toes up. So your hips are more forward, like this. Toes up. Oh. Here's this part's important. You make a fist and massage your legs. All right, we're gonna sit like this. Make sure your legs are flat on the ground. If you can't go out this wide, it's completely fine. This works as well. Just go at your own level. But here's what we're gonna do from here. Keep your legs flat on the ground, just push in as far as you can. We're gonna go cross toe touches, reaching down to one side and then over to the other. We're gonna do this for a little bit. Arms up, reaching over your head, arms up by your ear, down to one side, other side. All right, for this one, if you can, at this point, try pushing in a little bit further. Oh yeah. And now, just like with all the other stretches, we're not bending at the back, we're bending at the hips. So you're gonna lean forward, do a little pancake action.
Yeah, sniff that ground. Sniff that ground.
All right, we're done with this. Bring your legs together. Here's another important one. Bounce your knees, shake it out. Massage your legs if you have to. We're gonna do what's called rowing exercises, sort of like you're rowing a boat. I'm gonna turn this way so you guys can see better. Oh, what the? Piece of my shoe fell out. Rowing exercises, here's what's gonna happen. So just like with all the stretches, try not to bend at your back. It's fine if you are bending at the back, but just try to bend at the hips more, right? We're gonna go down, and then we're gonna reach back up, stretching your back, all right? So down and then back. And reach down! Same idea here, try to bend at the hips. This hurts, man. This hurts so bad. Awesome, okay. Last one, guys, last one. Butterflies. All right, here's the butterfly stretch. First thing you're gonna do, put your feet together, get your knees down as far as you can. Yeah. And once they're down as low as you can, just gently bounce them up and down. Gentle, gentle. When I was in elementary school, my PE teacher told me of this one kid who was doing butterflies, and he absolutely shredded his groin because he was doing this kind of action. Once you're nice and situated, bring your feet in closer and get your nose to your toes. Sniff them good.
Yummy.
And that's how you get your legs nice and loose. Shake it out. Please shake it out. And that's what I'll do to get myself loose before I have a sesh or before I do Taekwondo. Yeah, depending on how intense you want it to go, this could take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If you want more like it, let me know in the comments below, and let me know if you guys can still walk. All right, have a good weekend, y'all. Peace.